Hi. Okay, so to make bread, now I put 2 spoons of yeast. This spoon or the small one? Big spoon. Okay. 1, 2, 3 spoons of sugar. To take 900 ml of warm water. So now I mix. That's so nice. It in. Mix the 2 spoons of yeast, 3 spoons of sugar, and 900 ml of warm water. Now wait for 20 minutes, right? The red one, 750, 750, now salad oil, 150. I'm back. Salad oil, yeah, I only add salad oil. I haven't mixed. One 4 spoon of salt. Which is already here. Okay. If you put now is the black. 9 spoons of black tea. So how much is it? Called black stick. I'm gonna make black stick bread. So, okay. So now 5 more minutes for this. Now you have to become like that. So later the salad oil will pour inside, and then this one and this one mix together. Enough. I'm waiting for this word for very long.